Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make my part 2 of my video which I made last time, part 1, and this is part 2 of my wool and cotton yarn. So I'm going to make a coaster. So let's get started. I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to go right here to slip that way. Then I'm going to chain 1, 2, yarn over right in this hole to make 1 double crochet, then again so 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then with this yarn we have 16. So here to make a slip knot that way, to chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over, this 1 double crochet, that's this chain again with this space. So we have chain of 3 and 2 double crochet in the same space. Again we have to do the same. You can see I'm making the whole video for you so that you can see how this yarn works. In the beginning it's a little bit hard, but as time goes on it becomes easier to work with and makes very good double naps, whether it's a coaster or a big one. I really loved this yarn because it gave me very good quality coasters. And you can also make ribbons for your curtains. I've been making coasters with normal yarns, but as per this one, it's a very good yarn and texture as well. It's very flexible. You can also stretch, so you can come here and make a slip knot. So 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. You can stretch this way. So I had this round here, which is this round here, and this one here with 2 double crochet in each space over here. So as you can see, it's going to be, and we have one round left here, which is going to be to make half double crochet over here, one, and the second one, then 2 double crochets in each of these spaces here. You can see this space here. So this is how it's going to be, and it's going to look like. And when come at the end, we're going to make this one single stitch to complete the whole round. So let me just continue to show you the end. So I'm going to yarn over, come right here to make double crochet, again double crochet, that way you can see. So again this space, double crochet, double crochet, the edge of the space will have double crochets, you can see. the last. Yeah, one, then come right here, insert a hook, pull through again, 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. It's the same one as this one, the same size. There is no difference. So if you can take this one, you can see I have this round here of 15. Then on top of the 15, I have my 30 rounds, making 2 double crochet in each of the space, and on top of 30 I have 60 of them, which are this one. So each of the space, meaning this space over here, I have got to make 2 double crochet in each of these, and at the end I'm going to make slip knots everywhere. So if you want, you can leave your coaster this way, or you can continue ahead and make this single stitches over here. So I going to leave this for the timing this way, and it's very easy to make it because you can have your hot glass of water or your coffee, tea, whatever you call it, and you can put it this way, and can also keep it this way to have a little bit warm. So I hope you like my video. Till next time, in my next video, please like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.